An entity can participate in a recursive relationship, also we call it fishhook, where the same entity is both the parent and the child. From a conceptual modeling point of view, a recursive relationship is a relationship between entity instances of the same entity set. From a relational database point of view, we can say a recursive relationship is a relationship between rows of the same table. A foreign key relationship from one row to another row within the same table. Let's see a few examples. An employee supervises other employees. A person marries another person. A person is a child of another person. A person is the parent of another person. A course is a prerequisite for another course. A team play against another team. Organizational units report to another organizational unit. A bill of materials situation where a part or a component is composed of other parts. These are few examples for recursive relationships. Let me show you how to create a recursive relationship in Irwin. We have a model here. I've created few entities. Let's look at the situation where one employee reports to another employee. Supervisor relationship. We have to choose this non-identifying relationship. Click on the same entity twice. It will create a recursive relationship. We may expect an additional attribute be created here, which is a foreign key, but we do not find that because it cannot migrate the same employee ID again to the same entity. So what we need to do is we need to role name that migration. Go to the relationship editor, select the relationship, double click. Here we have the role name tab. Go here and provide a role name. Role of the relationship is to identify the employee supervisor. Let's name this attribute as supervisor ID. See, now we have a supervisor ID that's a foreign key referencing the same entity. So this particular attribute is referencing this particular attribute. Course can have a prerequisite. That prerequisite is going to be another course. So we can just create a non-identifying relationship. Go to the relationship and role name this as a prerequisite course ID. A person can have another person as a father, another person as a mother, another person as a spouse. There can be many relationships between one person to another person. So let's just model the relationship from one person as a mother. So let's create a recursive relationship. Role name the attribute. Similarly, we are going to create recursive relationship for all these entities. Organization unit reporting to another organization unit. Thank you.